Good morning, traders and investors. Dale Sucker, Trader Boys. Let's take a look at the markets here. Markets are up slightly, 0.2% on the S&P, 0.4% on the Nasdaq, only 0.16 on the Dow, and 0.09 on the Russell. So the strength here is the Nasdaq as usual, and there's really only 5 or 10 stocks that are really holding this market up on the S&P and the Nasdaq. If it wasn't for those 5 or 10 stocks, this market would be down and down pretty hard. So we'll kind of look at the charts, and you'll see in the charts here, we now on a 1 hour time frame on the S&P 500 futures here, we are in a defined downtrend. So we got the lower highs, the lower lows. We broke below the demand level here. We're working off the supply level that we posted in Monday's video absolutely beautifully. And they say you can't time the markets. We're doing it every damn day. Right? So coming off the supply level, lower low. We're just in this consolidation in the overnight here. There's nothing wrong with that. So we may see the market drive higher a little bit here, and then we'll see if we can get the deeper retracement of this uptrend longer term and go from there. Your buying areas, you're going to have demand in this area here. That's a proven demand coming up right here. Then obviously the areas we got marked below here. So interesting. We are at a little level of supply here. You can see the reaction coming up there right now. Right, on the Russell, this is the one we should be short. Russell did everything we expected and wanted to do, right up into our supply level, into the upper trend line. You can see we got the lower highs, lower lows pivot on the 1 hour time frame here. It's breaking down, and we've just had just below this low candle's low here. So that should get us down into here if we can get any sort of weakness into this market. So you can see we're coming into this upper trend line right now, and we'll see if that can hold and push us to the downside. On the Nasdaq, we need the Nasdaq to break this demand level. This demand level is holding this market up. If we can break that demand level, we're going to get a decent pullback back into these areas down and into here. So that'll give us a couple hundred point drop there, almost 300 points on the Nasdaq there, and that'll be a nice healthy drop in the markets. The VIX is coming off our demand levels as expected. Again, timing the market. We got that little pop there yesterday. We need the follow through on this, and we get the follow through on that. The call options on the VIX there are going to be extremely profitable. It's going to be a great trade. Okay. Last one here, oil. Oil again is doing everything we wanted it to do. Here's that supply level. We keep tagging that supply level. It's now become a pretty strong resistance. It hasn't get much depth in to that supply level and hasn't spent any time inside. So oil is trying to get higher here. Long term, we're looking for oil to go much higher than where it currently is. We need a little bit stronger accounting for that to happen though. And finally, gold. Gold is doing its thing. Gold is just a beautiful trade. I did an extra little video there yesterday to show you exactly how we laid out the gold transaction. Boom, right into demand and big move up. So expect gold to continue to move in higher. We're going to have to probably come back down to the supply level in here, demand level in here, and we could then jump on this train to continue the ride north. Probably a little late, but there is a demand level there for a shorter term trade. Right? Looking at gold for long term transactions. Just a quick little update this morning. Thanks for watching.